Want to unlock the full potential of your website data? Here's how to easily connect Google Tag Manager GTM to Google Analytics for GA4 for powerful tracking. First, head over to Google Tag Manager and open the container for your website. Make sure you're in the correct workspace. Then, locate the admin section on the left side of your screen and select it by clicking. In the admin section, find the option for Install Google Tag Manager. This is where you usually grab the code snippets for your website, but we're not doing that today. Instead, we are going to GA4. Now, open your Google Analytics for account and find your admin section, much like you did in GTM. Under admin, select the right property representing your website. Then, find data streams under the property section and click into it. There will be a stream for your website. Click it to open it. Inside your data stream, you'll find a measurement ID. Copy this ID. It's the key to linking GTM and GA4. Now, return to Google Tag Manager. Click on Tags in the left navigation to add a new tag. Select New to create a new tag. Click on Tag Configuration to choose your tag type. Select Google Analytics GA4 Configuration from the available options. Paste your Google Analytics measurement ID that you copied earlier into the measurement ID field. Next, go to Triggering and select All Pages. This ensures the tag fires on every page of your website. Once done, click Save. Give your tag a descriptive name, like GA4 Configuration. Save your tag and then preview your changes by clicking Preview. This way you can see if the settings are working correctly. Success! You've successfully connected Google Tag Manager to GA4. Getting the insights you need now. Data will flow seamlessly between your website and GA4.